If you feel like you've tried everything to lose weight and nothing seems to stick, I'm going to tell you something a little uncomfortable. There is one main thing ruining your weight loss, and it is probably not what you think. It's not bread, it's not pasta, it's not fruit, it's not even sugar. The real problem is something almost nobody talks about. And once you understand it, food gets simpler instead of more confusing. Are you ready? Here it is. The thing ruining your weight loss is not the food. It's the oversimplified, misleading way you've been taught to think about food and weight loss. You've been told things like carbs will spike your insulin, sugar makes you gain weight, fat makes you fat, just eat less and move more, never eat after 6 p.m. Now, all of these ideas sound logical, but they are incomplete explanations of a very complex system, which is something called the body's metabolism. So you end up trying to follow rules that don't actually match how the human body works. And that creates confusion, frustration, and constant second guessing. Now, think about what you've been exposed to online. You hear one expert say avoid fruit, another one saying that fruit's essential. Somebody's telling you to eat just low fat, and another person is saying fat is actually the key. One person says eat many small meals throughout the day. The other person tells you, no, you need to do intermittent fasting. Now, every single one of these people presents their advice like it is the one ultimate truth. No wonder weight loss feels impossible for you. You're not failing. You've just been taught biology and sound bites. Now, real quick, if you do want a simple, science-backed way to think about weight loss that actually fits real life, I teach this step-by-step in my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. You can click the link below this video in the description to register, or scan this QR code that you see on the screen, because if you're watching this from a TV, all you need to do is whip out your phone, open up the camera app, hover it over that QR code, and the registration link is going to pop right up. Now, let's get back to the content. So let me explain to you a very practical mindset shift that actually will fix this confusion once and for all. Because the truth is this, your body is not just one simple math equation. Weight loss is actually affected by so many factors. Yes, of course, what you eat matters, but it's also sleep, stress, activity, your age, hormones, medications, meal composition, and your unique health situation, not to mention if you have any predispositions in your family history. And if that sounds overwhelming for you to keep track of all of it, well, that's actually okay. That is literally why us doctors and health professionals exist. We have studied for years to help you sift through all of this and help you come up with solutions that actually work for you. But unfortunately, most people online are coming from all different kinds of educational backgrounds, or maybe no educational background at all. And all of the advice they give seems to ignore the basic fundamentals that we know from biology. Instead, people like to reduce everything down to just one villainous food or one magical rule, and that oversimplification is what's going to keep you feeling stuck. So now we need to talk about a classic confusion that I see so many people, including my patients, make. Now, a perfect example of this oversimplification is when we talk about blood sugar. So you've probably heard things like sugar's going to spike your insulin, carbs are bad for your blood sugar, things like fruit, don't eat fruit. But that leaves out a huge piece of the story. Because in other words, this is really only a half truth. Basically, it's not just what you eat, it's also how that individual food is put into a meal that you're eating with the other components. So, for example, a glass of juice on its own, that is truthfully pure sugar. If you're not having any other snacks or any other calories consumed when you're having that glass of juice, for sure, it can spike your blood sugar, and it can do so quickly. But that same amount of natural sugar eaten inside of a balanced meal, let's say the natural juice inside of a whole piece of fruit alongside other foods that provide you with protein or fat, well, that's going to behave very differently. Now, you might be wondering why. Because different molecules, or let's say different nutrients, interplay together to affect the process in the body that we call digestion, which is the breaking down of our food into its tiny chemical components that we call nutrients. Now, that process is actually really complex, and the whole subject of biochemistry is the study of that process. Meals are also meant to be eaten in a complex way. So, saying this again, but a little bit differently, the same food can affect your body very differently depending on what you eat it with, your activity level, how much sleep you actually got, your stress level, your individual health situation, and so many other things. So this is why online advice that treats food like this simple on-off switch is completely misleading. And it's also why so many people feel confused even when they're trying to do everything right and watch as many videos as possible to try to figure this out. So the smarter question, it's not how many grams of sugar are in this food. Instead, what you should be asking yourself is this meal I'm about to eat built in a way that works with my body and has balanced chemistry? That is real body science that works. Now, let's talk about what is this body chemistry and what is this balance that actually works. So instead of trying to just memorize endless food rules and lists, or fearing certain ingredients, or chasing the latest diet trend, instead I'd argue you just need a simple structure that works with your body instead of against it, that's completely rooted in your body's biology. That is where I'd argue the Mediterranean approach really shines. It's not because it's magical, it's because it focuses on these balanced meals, real food, daily movement, and consistency over perfection. You see, the structure is what I teach through something I call the perfect meal formula, which is not really a diet. So people think of the Mediterranean approach as a diet, but I'd argue it's not a diet at all. It's a way you can frame your meal and design your meal so that you can stop obsessing over individual foods and start thinking in a way that actually supports your body. And this will allow you to start enjoying your meals more instead of being afraid of them. And as a result, your body can stay healthier and even lose weight without you having to obsess over anything. And this is exactly what I break down step by step inside of my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. And inside that webinar, I walk you through an easy way to do weight loss with fun and simple Mediterranean eating. So again, if you want to register for that free webinar, the link is in the description below this video, or you can scan the QR code that's here on the screen. Again, this webinar is completely free, and it's just designed for folks like you who are tired of all this confusion and you just want to get down to the fundamental basics that actually work for weight loss long term. Now, let's talk about why this actually does matter for the long term. I know some of you listening right now, you might feel a bit hesitant or skeptical because technically, yes, this is another video online. I just happen to be a medical doctor. But I can tell you, after working with patients and thousands of people online, almost everybody gets tripped up on these same points of confusion. So I'm glad that you're giving yourself a chance to finally clear this up, because this is not about chasing a smaller body or any vanity metrics. Instead, it's about getting off that roller coaster of starting a new diet, feeling overwhelmed, quitting, then blaming yourself. And most people think that they need more discipline and more rules and more restriction and more food lists. But what they really need is less confusion, more clarity, and a system they can actually live with and rely on. So when you stop believing all these oversimplified messages and you start understanding the real truth of how your body actually works, weight loss will stop feeling like a mystery. So here is what I want you to do next. If this video has helped you see things differently, please send it to 3 people who you know are also trying to lose weight, and do so in a healthy, sustainable way. This could be a friend, a sibling, a family member, a coworker, a neighbor, someone who is tired of the confusion and deserves a simpler path. And then if you do want that step-by-step system for how you can put this all into practice for yourself, do not forget to register for my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. Link is in that description below, or the QR code is on the screen. And after that, make sure to dig deeper into all my other weight loss content on this channel, because if you are sick of starting over, and I'm sure you are, you don't want to miss these next videos. Jump into that video and I'll see you over there.